In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your plan on Cloudflare. To get started, we'll first need to navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the section specifically labeled Domains. This is where you'll find a list of all the domains currently under your management. Make sure you're in the right place, as this is crucial for the next steps. Now that you're on the Domains page, take a moment to review the list of domains in front of you. Carefully scan through to find the specific domain you're considering for a plan change. Next to each domain listing, you'll notice 3 dots positioned on the right-hand side. These dots serve as a gateway to additional options pertinent to that specific domain. Once you've located the appropriate domain, go ahead and click on those 3 enticing dots. This action will reveal a drop-down menu presenting several choices. Among them, you'll see an option labeled Change Plan. This is exactly what we're looking for, so click on it to proceed. You'll now be ushered to a new interface where you can choose your desired plan. Cloudflare provides multiple plans, each tailored to meet different needs. Whether you're seeking enhanced security, performance boosts, or additional features. Take a moment to review the available options and consider what's best for your domain and objectives. After making your decision, the next step is to select the plan that suits you best. Sometimes, choosing a new plan might mean entering into a different billing cycle or commitment, so it's really important to be sure of what you are choosing. Once this is done, you will be guided through the process of providing the necessary payment information. Input your payment details, ensuring everything is accurate to prevent any hitches in the processing. Double-check the information you've inputted to avoid any unnecessary delays or issues. Once all the necessary payment information is confirmed, you'll proceed to finalize the transaction. And just like that, you've successfully changed the plan for your domain on Cloudflare. Remember, this can unlock various additional features and improvements depending on the plan you've opted for. It's always a good idea to check out the new features available with your plan and see how you can leverage them to enhance your domain's performance or security. That wraps up the process. Congratulations on successfully navigating the Cloudflare dashboard and updating your domain's plan. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, be sure to explore Cloudflare's help resources or community forums for more insights and support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see